Maya is meeting two potential clients today for an important contract. She is aware that first impressions are important.
Hi, sorry for the wait. We're running a bit late on time today.
No problem. You can take a seat.
Thank you.
She will be asking questions to determine the client's exact needs and hopes to propose a plan for a convention they cannot refuse.
So, should we get down to business?
Absolutely.
So you want to plan a convention, is that right?
Yes, that's right. We're looking for a location to plan a convention for the tourism industry. The theme we wish to work with is driving employee engagement.
All right. Have you targeted any dates or time of year?
Well, yes, actually. We've been thinking about doing it in April. That's usually when we do our other conventions.
I understand. Do you know how many days we're looking at? How many attendees? Any special invitees or guests?
Well, we were thinking about doing a Monday-Tuesday convention. That would allow the attendees to arrive the day before and explore a little before the on-site registration and the first conference.
There shouldn't be any problem.
Listen to how Maya makes questions. We know that they are not grammatically structured because she is in the middle of a conversation.
Did you have a specific venue in mind? How about evening activities? A cocktail and dinner? An outing?
Yes, for our convention, we plan to have about 200 attendees on site, and we prefer to have a hybrid formula. Are you able to take care of that?
Absolutely.
Good.
We can live stream the conferences without any problem.
Do you have any comfortable venues that would be able to accommodate that many attendees?
One that comes to mind right away is the Mountain View Villa. They have a nice view and a charming environment. More importantly, they have a large conference room as well as smaller meeting rooms, and their audiovisual equipment is top-notch.
Great. Yeah. And what about the food services?
Oh, they have a good reputation, but I have never eaten there myself.
Would they be able to incorporate local products and wines into their offer?
They do have a strong focus on local produce and products. I'm certain that we can make other suggestions, though. Their corporate manager is used to meeting special requests.
In this final section, take a moment to brainstorm with the characters. Consider the age of the convention attendees as you think about potential activities and entertainment.
Great, because we would like to offer original activities and entertainment that would be available for the attendees on the Sunday evening, but also during the Monday night supper. Have you ever organized something like that?
Indeed, I have. If I am correct, we want to build on the theme of driving employee engagement, right?
That's right.
Listen to the various suggestions of activities and promotions. Which one do you think should be the top choice to motivate tourism professionals? A. Offer a room discount. B. Give free promotional products. C. Have a draw for a travel credit voucher. D. Organize a special outdoor activity for people to discover the region. All of the answers are good ones.
Off the top of my head, I would suggest that we show the attendees why they are important. We could build our own incentive programs for the convention. We could even find ways to create a reward system for the attendees.
Oh, that sounds good. Just a few more details to consider. We do have a keynote speaker on the first day lunch. And for the other sessions, we have a potential list of speakers. We'd like the sessions to be about 1 hour each, with a 10-minute break in between each one.
And like Josiane said earlier, we will need one main conference room, but we will need several smaller ones as well. I think about 4 should be okay. And they would have to include water, tables, chairs, big screens as well, and projectors.
Pens, paper, promotional materials, other swag.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, if you could come up with a cost estimate, we'll be able to look at that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you can think of right now?
No, not really. I think that'll be it for now. Do you think you could get something to us before the end of the week?
Yeah, sure, no problem. How about Thursday afternoon?
I think Thursday would be good. Yeah. We could meet back here if that's more convenient for you.
Yes, that would be great.
Listen very carefully to the next 2 sentences to hear the use of the preposition plus gerund structure.
Well, thank you, Maya, for meeting with us. I am looking forward to hearing what you have to show.
Well, thank you for your confidence in me. See you on Thursday?
Yes, see you Thursday.
Did you notice? We use a gerund form when we want to follow a preposition by an action. I'm interested in learning about history. My job consists of creating guided tours. They participated in fundraising for the festival. Gerunds are complicated to learn, but when you can use them properly, it makes a big difference in your level of proficiency.